Hello everyone, let's make cold restaurant-style sandwiches. So take a bowl and add capsicum, onion, cut it into small pieces. You can also add mushrooms and boiled potato cubes. Vegetables should be cut into small pieces as shown in video. Now take 2 boiled eggs. Peel it gently with your hands. So here I peeled off both eggs. Now we will chop the eggs with the help of a knife. First cut it. Then chop to small cubes. So here the eggs are ready. Put them in the veggies bowl. Now add ketchup 2 teaspoons. Also add mayonnaise 2 teaspoons. Add crushed black peppers as for your spice requirement. Also add salt. Mix well. The mixture is ready. Take toast slices, I took 6. Spread the mixture on 3 slices. Three slices are ready. Now put the other 3 slices on the mixture-filled slices and press all with your hand to set it well. Now cut with a sharp knife in the mid. Sandwiches are ready. Serve it in a plate. Enjoy. Subscribe for easy recipes.